Hey, it's Corey with Henry's Hardscape and Excavation out in Decatur, Tennessee today, working on a residential project. Now this customer's actually moved into their retirement home, so they want to have as little maintenance as possible for their lawn. And they're opting out of high maintenance materials such as mulch, and they're going to opt in for a low maintenance material like Riprap rock. Now what Riprap is, it's softball to football sized boulders, which are maintenance free for its entire lifetime, as opposed to mulch, which you have to replace at least once a year, if not twice or more, as well as any plants that may die as the seasons change. That's a lot of headache to have to worry about, a lot of cost out of your pocket that you can't really plan for, probably don't want to plan for. And when this is all said and done, it's going to look amazing. We're also going to hydroseed about 30-40 square feet at the very base of the hill, so that way they can have a little bit of landscaping that they can kind of play with and enjoy as they want to, but it's going to be low maintenance and low cost overall. It's going to look great when it's done. Check out the final product.